Alright, this is the Brick Padawan coming with another review video. As you may have guessed, this is not a Star Wars set. I usually do Star Wars sets and reviews and mocks and army building and so on. But this set was just too cool not to have. It is the Joker's crime vehicle. It can be turned into a lowrider if the wheels will work. Stay down. No. Well, sometimes I get it to work, but otherwise you can have it like this. You can position it in various positions, poses. But this was just way too cool. So I'm a big fan of the Joker, of course, so I just had to buy this. It was a really cool build. I love the different uses of pieces here. These like exhaustions or whatever they are. I like the color scheme a lot. Classic Joker, the purple like his jacket, and of course green like his hair, and then I think a dash of gold just to be a little bit of a pimp, maybe, I don't know. You tell me. And then he has a horn here, like classic clown horn or something like that. It's just nice. So of course he also have vanity plates. Joker, yeah. And on the back, and he probably have this here because you can open up the trunk and you have some of the spring-loaded missiles. So anybody following him, he can pop the trunk and just give him a blast of Acme green nastiness or something like that. And you fire the missiles from down here. They are nice and tucked away beside the radio here. But this is it's just a cool car because the minifigures can actually sit in here. You have like a, what do you call it, a stick to change gears. I also like the way they use these for like windshield washers or whatever they're called. And of course the interior, keeping with the pimp theme. This is like a zebra leather or something like that. It is just overall a cool car that has been changed into the Joker's crime vehicle. Of course, big gold rims. How can you not love this car? So anyway, there's also some printed pieces here. I think they're speakers or something like that. So it's overall just a very nice model, and I might be getting some more DC Batman stuff because some of the sets are kind of cool. Now I have the Joker. I really can't have the Joker without the Batman, so I probably need to buy a Batman set. But it also comes with the 3 figures. So let's take a look at the figures. So these are the figures that came with the set. We have the Joker, and we have Harley Quinn, and we have, is it Barbara Gordon, Batgirl? I can't remember. But anyway, it's a cool figure. Has a nice cape, and this ponytail here actually comes off, so you just clip it to the helmet. And of course you can take off the helmet. Oops, here's the helmet. So kind of nice. And this is just her face, and she has a double face on the back. So, and let's see. Yes, and some printing on the back as well. So, and printing on the boots. Just a nice minifig, but that's not. She is not the star of the show. So back you go. These guys are Harley Quinn and the Joker. And let's start with Harley Quinn and just hold off on the Joker. This is also a very nice, I mean the printing is just, it's cool with all the details. I mean, nice hairpiece as well. I think they really did a good job. And also on her bat. Maybe she should have her signature mallet or something, but the baseball bat will do. And then of course printing on her legs. And then she has roller skates. That's that's kind of funny. But she also has, of course you can take off her hair. Then she of course also has like a mean face and an even happier mean face. I don't know. Given the Joker's relationship with her, she should probably have like a happy face and then a sad face. Maybe this is the sad face for when he beats her up or something like that. Well, but this is Lego and not domestic assault issues, but that's kind of the nature of the relationships. But very cool figure. And of course the clown prince himself, the Joker. Also very nice. I would have preferred maybe a more evil face, but then again this is Lego, so probably not gonna get like true villainy or something like that. But also very nice printed. It could have been cool if you had like a cape or jacket like on, like, but they printed it on, so so that will have to do. And of course a gun with just a bang. I love this minifigure. And he also, if you take away his hair, oh look, bald Joker. Bad luck for you, pal. Okay, of course he also has like a, I don't know, sad, maybe like things didn't turn out as I wanted face, and then Batman showed up. Yeah, they all have alternate faces. All in all, I'm pleased with these minifigures, and they actually fit into the car. So let's just see that. So here they are in the crime car. I think you have to take off Harley Quinn's roller skate to get it to fit in there, but it's pretty cool. They actually fit into the car. Two passengers side by side. That's pretty nice. I just destroyed the car. Now the Joker is gonna be so mad at me. Also Harley Quinn's side that got destroyed. Then the Joker will be very mad at her. Anyway, this is definitely one of my favorite sets. I like the minifigures are great, and the vehicle itself is just amazing. So you will probably see more Batman related stuff on my channel, but don't worry, some Star Wars stuff is coming up as well. I'm just waiting for Bricklink orders, and so I can show you what I've been building all this time. Anyway, I hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you next time.